Hi, Jason from BWS. What we're going to do today is we've just launched a new system, GPR Solutions. This is push to paint or paintless dent repair systems. Our first system is the GPR Solutions Kit. So this kit is used for push to paint basically. You will use this, most of you will have pulling towers that stick to the floor, and this is ideal for that kit. This kit then, instead of your existing dent pullers where you weld on tags, keys, use it for aluminium, etc., with the glue, you're going to get it to a certain area and then hopefully just a layer of skim. So what do we get in the kit? Well, it's a sturdy box, no frills, don't need a big trolley for it. We've got our new flex glue sticks, very, very strong, slightly larger than most packs on the market, and then you get an extra 30% in the actual kit. You've got that. You've obviously got your solution to allow you to take the glue off once you've got your sticks on there. You've got variable temperature controlled glue gun. We've then got 3 adaptation bars. So your longest one there, and literally all you'll do is you'll slide down your bolt and then you can obviously pull. So you've got the long bar, short 2-inch one for everyone that does the old maths, and then you've got a curved one for doing wheel arches. So also then you will have a range of taps, and obviously these, everything here can be bought as a consumable. In your range of tabs, you've got 10 tabs. So straight, another version of the straight, so if you wanted to, you could put them both together for the longer bar. Couple of curves, so when you're doing the wheel arch. You got one with a, I don't know if you could see that, slight edge on there. So if you've got a dent that's sitting in and not quite level, and you can pull that. With the new glue, because it's very, very strong, then you've got a very thin lined one. Smaller version of the longer tabs. Obviously these tabs are flexible. You can cut to size, so if you only need a smaller one, then you can cut them to size. Little edge one there, and then a corner piece. So literally you've got, out of your 10 tabs, you've got a selection to do each repair. And like I say, these can be cut down. Very cost-effective bit of kit. Like I say, there's no frills. It does what it says. Okay, and we'll be posting several videos with this kit in use.